Hey guys, Julie Willits here from juliewillits.com. Today, my topic is going to be about, do you really need video in your business? Okay, let's get into the topic. So do you really need video in your business? So if you have a store, obviously you're going to be able to interact with people. They're going to be able to talk to them. They're going to be able to see you. You're going to be able to show your personality, and they're going to be able to either connect with you and you're going to be able to sell them something that they're looking at, or they're going to remember you because of the interaction that you showed them, obviously. So video can enhance your business because viewers are going to be able to see you and see your personality and actually know who you are, what you're about, and make that they can resonate and make that interaction with you on a video. Number two, 80% of people actually remember video ads more so than they do a social media post or a blog post, for that fact. So seeing somebody on a video, you're going to remember their actual person. You're going to actually remember the face if you see them again. So number three, the power of the internet has given us this huge pool of prospects to market to. And the problem with that is just because you stick your fishing pole in that big sea doesn't mean that it's still not hard to make sales online. So you're going to have to give a little bit more of yourself to have people remember you and make that connection with you. And you definitely need a strong marketing plan. Just because you have this huge pool of prospects does not mean that you're going to increase your sales just by having that in place. So your marketing plan needs to be strong. And of course, adding video to that is going to make it even stronger. So I did some research, and I'm going to check my notes here. So Video Brewery states that 50% of people that viewed a video were more likely to make a purchase when they saw a video ad. Number four, you can reach every demographic with a video. There are people out there looking for things, but you have to actually solve a problem for them and have something that they're looking for. And so video is loved by young and older people. Now, most younger people, they're like Instagram and Snapchat, right? They say that middle-aged women are more likely to be found on Pinterest. But with video, they can be added to all the different platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest even. You can add videos there. But YouTube and Google are the two largest search engines. So having a presence on YouTube is going to even give you more exposure. The other thing is, of course, we need to engage with mobile viewers. Mobile is huge right now. The attention span of somebody on desktop is probably 2 minutes or less, whereas mobile viewers actually stay on for 2.4 minutes to 5 minutes. Adding video to your email list is shown to improve a higher click-through rate. And I myself have been doing this, even in my videos that I'm doing on YouTube, I will then add them and send them to my email list. Now, I really want them to watch them on YouTube, so I've been putting in a link in my email marketing campaigns for them to go over to YouTube and watch it. So number 7, you're actually creating a personalized experience. So if your energy and you're happy, you're creating that personalized experience for that person right there and then. They can remember that. And people with small business actually using video in their communities are showing their energy, their personality, and so therefore people in the community have known who they are even if they have not met them in person. So they're well known by them. So getting your message across on video is going to reflect your brand and your personality. Number 8, we want to rank higher in the search engines. And having your website on your YouTube channel being searched for whatever topic you're discussing, your products, actually showing people how-to videos will rank you higher according to your keywords that you're being searched for. I mean, you have to do some homework there, but there will be people that will watch you and get to know you from your YouTube videos. So you have to understand that even though marketers have known about video for a long time, a lot of them are really not utilizing it. Why? I'm not sure, because maybe they don't want to be on camera. Maybe they have a fear of that. Maybe it's because maybe it takes too much time to do the research, to do the planning, to actually cut the video, upload it to YouTube, get all those keyword searches in place, getting the tags in order, and writing out the description. Maybe that's just too time consuming for them. But know this, these are what people are looking for right now. So if you start now, just because everybody else isn't doing it, then you will be ahead of the game. So let's educate your customers on various topics. This is number 9. So you don't want to be out there doing hard sales, always blasting them with what you're selling. You want to show them all the products and services over time, and maybe you are going to show them how you can actually use those products and services and see if this is something that they actually need in their lives. Because nobody wants to be sold 100% of the time. That's just a complete turnoff. I mean, even when you go to a Facebook profile, somebody sends me a friend request and all they have on their profile is business post, business post, business post. I really don't want to connect with somebody like that because I have no idea who the hell they are. So obviously I just don't respond. So educating your audience on different topics, of course, creating some how-to videos about your product or service will give the audience the content, but they're going to be in a low pressure environment. So they're not going to feel like they're going to have to be sold or trying to be sold. Number 10, building a relatable brand is called seeing you on video. Actually creates what it's called Fusiform. And Fusiform is a specialized area of the brain that creates facial recognition. So showing your audience your face will let them become accustomed to it. And once they become accustomed to you and your face, then they're going to start trusting you. And that's what it's about: knowing, liking, and trusting someone to actually be able to buy a product from them. So that's what video can actually do in your business. If you're not using it, then you need to get started doing it now. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye now.